In 2017, we were asked to take a look at the situation around emergency temporary housing within the United States. And soon after we started, Hurricane Maria, Hurricane Irma came through, and there was this realization that within continental US, there is the manufactured housing units that FEMA deploys, but they all get carried on a truck to the location. For all of the tropical islands, there's no way to send a FEMA manufactured housing unit. And so people are given tents. And so we went and we did field work in many different locations in Guam, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Mariana Islands, and interviewed people to understand what were the issues that they were facing. And then we developed a home that has 4 points on it that allows it to be picked up and put on a container ship. And it is the size of a container, but it actually unfolds to become double the size. And it has a bathroom and a kitchen and a living room and bedroom space. And this unfolding process also means that there isn't, areas where there's a labor shortage, it's much easier to unpack and unfold the home, and it can be installed within 1 or 2 days. So we realized during the interviews that we had in all of these tropical island communities that what goes to these islands stays in these islands. And so we wanted to make sure the home we built was really high quality. It could withstand 195 miles per hour winds, so that the home is built for the seismic codes in Hawaii, and that is also ADA accessible. And then because of the tropical climate, we wanted to make sure that there is a fan and proper window sealants and coatings on the windows so that they would refract the sunlight, and so that they're comfortable and safe to stay in. And the idea is that as family members gain income and they end up adding on to their homes, perhaps not all of it is formal housing. A lot of places have a lot of informal housing and different materials that they use, but the idea is that this small home still can be an evacuation space during the next hurricane or typhoon, even if the informal additions are not. Currently we have, it's gone through container testing and it's safe to travel to any island, and we've given it over to FEMA, and they're currently doing some rain and wind testing on the units.